Hey folks, I'm Felix from Hicks Nurseries. Well, it's summertime, and that means it's time to walk around our gardens and look for any little problems that might be coming up. We certainly recommend if you see something that looks out of the ordinary, please bring it into our experts here. We'll diagnose the problem for you and keep it a little problem. Some common issues though this year are aphids, spider mites, mealybugs, beetles, a whole bunch of different insects. It's an easy fix by using Captain Jack. Captain Jack's organic. I personally use it. Safe to use around pets and children. Gets rid of all those insect problems in a snap. Another big issue is fungus. Fungus is tough to diagnose, and again, we ask you to bring those samples into us so we can look at it. But a good broad spectrum, easy fix is copper fungicide. Copper fungicide, safe to use on veggies, safe to use on your flowers. Lawn fungus is another big issue, sometimes tough to diagnose, but please bring us a sample. We recommend Infuse. Infuse, again, is safe to use. Go out there in the evening, as all your spraying, spray in the evening. Spray in the evening, soak down the lawn, no irrigation for like 24 hours, and that'll bring your lawn roaring back. Watering is the next big category. Don't forget, folks, sprinklers are for lawns, soaker hoses for your landscape. Make it easy on yourself.